Hello everyone. Did you all just had the urge to yap while drying your hair? Kasi feel ko ayun yung nararamdaman ko right now. So let's yap about the things, reflections, realization, and updates sa life ko because it's been a while since I last did this kind of video because these past few days I've been going through a lot of distractions mostly. Kaya I just wanna do a quick rant even though I know na yung mga taong makaka-discover nitong video na to doesn't give a shit. But basically, this is my life. So, gusto ko ring ilabas lahat ng mga pangyayari sa buhay ko because they are all worth remembering in the future. Wait lang. So, since super distracted nga ako and hindi ako nagkaroon ng urge na mag-film ng mga ganitong videos. So, mostly, during those days is happy ako na at some point, nakapag-update pa rin naman ako about sa life ko through journal. So, almost kalahati na to, I can't even imagine. Like, super proud pa rin naman ako kasi even though hindi na nga ako nakakapag-film ng sarili ko is, nalalabas ko naman yung ibang yaps and rants sa journal ko. And medyo emotional to. Mostly yung mga nandito kasi it's been a lot. A lot has been happening. So, basically, August na, hindi ako nakapag-film. Sabi ko talaga, mag-film ako starting August. Because, ayun nga, nung mga late July, I've been kinda pathetic, miserable, and desperate. All in between. Because, it's all because of my own actions, my own mistakes. Dahil nga katulad dati, like usual, I had this kind of obsession over rebranding myself. Pero most specifically, naging super obsessed ako sa thought of rebranding my physical appearance. So, super focus ko dun sa term na yun. I became so obsessed that even the small mistakes is like, napaka-big deal niya sa akin. Kasi nga sabi ko, magda-diet ako, magka-calorie deficit ako. I even bought a weighing scale dun sa food and ginamit ko yung ipon ko para dun. I think it's worth it naman. Pero at the same time, hindi ko naman siya nagagamit ng maayos ngayon dahil hindi ko matansya kung kailan ba talaga ako magla-lock-in kasi ang dami kong reason sa utak ko. So, ayun, basically, bumili ako nun, ginamit ko yung savings ko, and now, I'm broke again. Wala na akong savings. Kasi, isa din sa mga reasons is super naging impulsive na naman ako sa pagbili ng kung ano-ano. It's so pathetic to think na parang ang proud ko pa sabihin lahat ng yon. Pero, yes, I admit, it's my mistake, it's my crime na I'm the bad girl na. But, ayun nga, super naging obsessed ako. Sabi ko, bukas talaga, simula bukas, ipaprioritize ko na, simula bukas talaga, magbabago na ako, simula bukas, magka-calorie deficit na ako, like, may budget na nga ako, may plan and all. But I still find myself lacking and slacking off most of the time. Like, laging nasa huli yung pagsisisi every night. Like, si God na talaga yung may alam kung gaano ako ka-desperate, kung ano yung regret na pinagdadaanan ko every night through prayers. And it's so pathetic. Like, to the fact na it's like a cycle na at this point. But, ayun, sabi ko, pinangako ko talaga sa sarili ko and pinag-pray ko na August talaga, this is my time to shine. Starting today, starting tomorrow, starting this month, magiging bago na yung flow. I mean, hanggang ngayon, I'm still here. Fresh pa rin naman yung August and hindi ko naman kinukwento to na ibig sabihin nun tapos na kagad yung kwento ng August kasi I kind of failed. So, ayun, of course, super blessed ako. I still started strong. And may mga times pa rin naman na nagkaroon ako ng discipline sa sarili ko. Like, super nakaka-proud when I think about it. But, may mga punto na dahil nga dahil nga naka-lock in ako, is I still find myself slacking off. Just like nung nangyari nung nakaraan. Nung nakaraan, medyo nag-lock in ako. And actually, na-accomplish ko yung goal ko for the day. Tapos the next day, ayun na naman, back to cycle na naman. I binge, kung ano-ano na pumasok na pagpapabaya yung pumasok sa utak ko. And ayun, tinapos ko yung araw na yun na full of regret na naman. Sabi ko, sana talaga ganito, bakit wala bang ganito? Starting tomorrow talaga, and the cycle continues. It's such a pathetic feeling. And honestly, it's so frustrating. Yung point na the more na naging mas conscious ako, is the more that I find myself slacking off most of the time. Like, bakit ba the more na nanonotice ko yung isang bagay, the more na mas nagiging visible na yung impact niya sa life ko. Kasi dati wala man talaga akong pake. Pero ngayon na nagkaroon na ako ng pakialam, I find myself failing it over time. Pero isa talaga sa mga na-realize ko kanina, let's not focus on the past na. Like, let's focus sa present now. So, isa sa mga na-realize ko is, gusto ko munang limitahan yung paglilimit ko sa sarili ko. Because, those past few days, I've been gaslighting myself na, actually, I love myself naman. Hindi naman ako insecure and hindi ko naman nire-restrict or pinapunish yung sarili ko. Pero, when I think about all those times together, the more na na-realize ko is that I was lying all along. That I was actually restricting. I was actually punishing myself. Especially sa pagkain. I had this urge na alam ko na, let's say, sa almusal nagluto si mama. Minsan nagiging agresibo ako kasi alam mo yun, yung may plano ka tapos parang hindi pa tumutulong yung ginagawa ng isang side, which is kasama ko si mama. Nagiging agresibo ako. And isa rin yun sa mga problema kaya lagi kami nagkakaroon ng alitan ni mama. Kasi hindi align yung gusto naming ma-achieve. Si mama, normally, bakit ko naman siya i-blame? Gusto niya lang naman na kumain ako. Like, normal naman yan sa amin before. Like, bakit ba kailangan magbago ngayon? So, parang pumapasok sa isip ko, no, hindi ko kakainin yan. Mataas calorie niyan. Hindi. Kapag kinain ko yan, magugutom na naman ako for the rest of the day. Kaya, I restrict myself without me knowing. With the concept sa utak ko na hindi ko naman pinapunish yung sarili ko, disiplinado lang talaga ako. Yes. Well, wow. I forgot what I'm going to say. Ayun nga, dinisipline ko yung sarili ko na hindi ko kakainin yan para talagang mag-stick ako dun sa calorie deficit. Tapos, ayun, let's say, gumana nga, hindi ko kinain yon, super minimal lang na kinain ko sa meal ko na yon, like breakfast, specifically. Tapos, at the end of the day, dahil nirestrict ko nga yung sarili ko, the more na magkikrave ako nun, at the end of the day, as the result, I will actually binge. You see the pattern, the more na nirestrict ko yung sarili ko, the more I'd actually still end up eating it all, doing it all. So, I think isa yun sa mga pagkakamali ko because I was overly punishing myself na hindi ko deserve to. That I label foods as good and bad. Kasi, dapat pala nag-focus lang ako doon sa kung ano yung gusto ko talaga. And I think ayun yung isa sa mga gusto kong i-prioritize talaga. That, hindi ko kailangan i-restrict yung sarili ko from things that I actually wanna do and eat. It's just that I just need to limit myself. You know? Kasi the more na nire-restrict ko yung sarili ko, the more na I'd end up doing it anyway. So, what's the point? Diba? Kaya isa yun sa mindset na gusto kong i-develop palalo. Na I don't have to restrict myself. You know, there's no good and bad food. As long as I have the control over the proportions, I have limits. Like, ganun lang, like, minimal discipline lang. Kasi masyado kong ni-romanticize yung concept of self-discipline, self-control. Pero ngayon, mas na-realize ko that I was gaslighting myself all along. That I was actually punishing and restricting myself from the things that I actually wanna do. Kaya for now, isa yun sa mentality na gusto kong ma-adapt talaga. That I don't have to be guilty for eating that. Because it doesn't matter, you know? Like, let's say, of course, hindi ko naman sinasabi to, it means na ayoko na ng goal ko, like, fuck it, like, pabayaan na lang natin, basta kumain na ako, okay na yun. At the same time, gusto ko pa rin namang i-accomplish yung goal ko na medyo babawasan ko nga yung pagkain para ma-accomplish ko yung weight ko. Like, I just wanna do all of this to improve or to be more proud of myself. I don't wanna make it sound like I was doing all of this because I hate myself. Like, I just really wanna do all of this because I wanna be better. I wanna look better. I wanna feel better. Kaya, for now, ayun talaga yung gusto kong mangyari. I don't have to stop myself from doing something as long as may disiplina pa rin ako sa fact that I can limit myself from overextending kung ano yung gusto kong gawin. And ayun, kanina, for some reason, I had this sudden spark of energy na, wait, actually, I have a free will. Like, alam mo yun, yung mga sudden realizations in time na, wait, actually, yung ganun. And I had the same kind of situation kanina. I was scrolling and super maganda-ganda yung For You page ko ngayon. Like, it's about self-love, the manifestation and stuff na yun. I had this sudden burst of sensation sa katawan ko na, wait, actually, I do have a free will. So, bigla kong nagkaroon ng boost of energy and motivation na actually, I can start now eh. Actually, you know what? Life is actually worth the living. Kasi may mga pagkakataon talaga na kapag feel natin super drained, feel natin we're a failure, it's like the world is collapsing. Pero I had this energy na bigla, actually no, life is actually worth the living. Like, I feel like God gave me that boost of energy because I prayed this all along. Nagpray ako sa Kanya kahapon, talagang nilabas ko lahat ng kung ano man yung dinidibdib ko because personally, I can't keep all of this all by myself sa heart ko. Kaya nga ginagawa ko tong video na to and nagpapray ako kay God always. Alam ko naman na itong up and downs ng journey na to, it's all part of the journey. Like, wala namang straight na journey na puro masaya na lang lagi. And I know everything, even the most painful one, happens for a reason. I will always have faith in that. And I believe na itong current or present self na to, na broke, financially broke, mentally or physically broke, I know na lilipas din to and it's all part of the life. Like, come on girl, this is not the first time this happens. So, I just wanna enjoy the life that I'm living in the present right now because the future can wait. And ayun, kaya katulad nga sinabi ko kanina, I had this sudden realization na hindi ko ma-explain. Tapos I started listing down everything na gusto kong ma-accomplish, everything that I wanna be. Like, let me show you. Dito sa journal. Yan. Diba? It might be cringe, but nilagay ko dito yung mga bagay that shape the version that I wanna be. You know? Like, nilagay ko dito yung gusto kong ma-accomplish, yung gusto ko na yung future self ko is like, nilagay, hindi ko ma-explain. Basta ito, like, visualize ko yung future self ko. Like, nakatingin ako from other perspective. Like, oh my God, si Lian, she's that girl. She has a good posture. She eats fruits and veggies. She's chic, confident, radiant, mindful, intentional, unknown. Like, it sounds cringe. But that's the power. That's the power that I want my future self to hold. Kaya I'm so glad, you know. And isa rin sa gusto ko talagang gawin is that I wanna be unavailable sa mga tao that doesn't deserve my energy. Basically, people pleasing and such. Like, especially sa school. Like, yung atmosphere and influence ng mga tao dun is just so... I can't explain it. But aminado naman ako na at some point, naapektuhan ako sa influence nila. But this time, I just really wanna prioritize becoming the better version of myself. Like, I don't wanna think of any distractions coming from them. Like, gusto ko talagang pag-focusan yung sarili ko because I don't wanna miss out the chances and opportunities na binigay sa akin ni God. And this time, I wanna make a good use of it. So, ayun nga, I had that sudden burst of energy kanina and I really wanna embrace that energy for the rest of the day talaga because it's so fragile. And aminado ako that hindi ganun yung mindset ko all of the time. Kaya ngayon na ibinigay sa akin is gusto ko siyang i-keep. Gusto ko siyang hawakan tightly hanggang hindi na siya maka-let go sa hands and hold ko. And I want people to... I know that a lot of people have different version of myself on their mind and I wanna prove them all wrong. Like, specifically, let's say, I used to complain a lot, I used to curse a lot. Like, aminado ako na palamura ko. Pero I wanna prove them wrong because, let's say, ayun yung version of myself na alam nila. Like, I wanna prove them. I wanna start changing that perspective nila sa akin without them knowing, without me explaining na, hala, hindi na ako yung Leah na kilala nyo, ha? Like, I wanna prove them wrong. I wanna erase that kind of version of myself sa utak nila and replace it with the aura na gusto kong maramdaman nila. Like, it sounds so cringe probably to some people, but this is my life anyway. Yun, wala kayong magagawa dun. Pero I want that. Especially sa impulsiveness ko, which is one of my main struggles. Impulsive sa pagsasalita, sa actions and behaviors. I wanna prove myself wrong. Kasi aminado ka, diba, pag sa ibang tao, especially pag close ka, parang kabisado ka na nila. Like, gusto ko na mawala yung version ko na masama na kabisado nila sa utak nila. Ano raw? Basta yun. I wanna prove myself na hindi na ako yung ganon ka-negative na Leah na kilala nila. Like, I wanna be calm. I wanna be, I just really wanna focus on myself. Like, it's so frustrating. Kaya, itong opportunity na binigay sa akin, hindi ko to palalampasin. I wanna keep in mind na this is all that I've been praying for. Kaya, the best of luck. Lian, you can do this.